Hi guys, welcome back to ITWeb. We are back with another phone unboxing. Today we have for you the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So this is Samsung's answer to Huawei's Mate X3, which came out a few months earlier than this one. The phone, of course, is your standard Android 13. It does come with a good Snapdragon Gen 2 processor, which is about 120 something gigs of RAM, which makes it quite fast and quite good in terms of keeping up with whatever you want to do on it. It is in black, which I think is quite beautiful. It makes it look sleek. It makes it look really sophisticated. The phone itself is your standard Samsung high quality. It works perfectly on an everyday use. It is amazing, especially for those who want to use it for work. I think it really works for that. A bit of some of the issues that I have in terms of the phone itself is it is a bit bulky. It is a bit bulky, especially in the hands and in the pocket. It does seem like you're carrying two phones. And if you can see here, it is quite thick. I think comparing it to the Huawei Mate X3, which is a bit thinner than this one, and the screen when it is folded on the Huawei is quite bigger, whereas on the Samsung it is quite small. I think it's much smaller than your average phone as well. Of course, the best thing about the phone is that it does unfold and fold. Amazing. I mean, we haven't seen foldable phones in I don't know when. The phone, the camera is a 50 megapixel. You've got triple camera here, 50 megapixel. You've got a good 10 megapixel selfie camera, so your selfies are always going to be on point. You've got an 8K video resolution, which I think is probably the best feature about this phone or its camera, is that 8K video resolution. It is absolutely amazing, and when I was using it, I probably took more videos than I ever have in my lifetime. In terms of battery, Samsung always comes through with battery life. It does support fast charging. It comes with a 4400 megahertz battery, so it is gonna charge quickly and stay charged throughout the day, especially because it is a Samsung. Some of the drawbacks about this phone has to be that in terms of what Samsung was trying to achieve or looking at their competition, it is not as impressive as I wanted it to be. I really wanted it to be good. I think the best thing about it is the fact that because you have such a big screen, it is perfect for video streaming, YouTube. It is perfect for if you're type of person who wants to play games on your phone. I played FIFA on this one and it was really amazing having such a big screen and really good resolution. I think the drawback would be that it does need to get better. I feel like it has to be more exciting. I know Samsung probably designed it with people, working professionals in mind, but it does need to be exciting. I mean, we live in the digital era where technology has to make people want to get it, you know. Another drawback has to be, of course, that groove right there in the middle where the phone folds and unfolds, where you can now have one unilateral screen. I feel like looking at the Huawei, you can't really feel that groove on the Huawei as you're using it, but on the Samsung, you can clearly feel it, and I think that's something they really need to work on. But in terms of the phone itself, I thought it was pretty fun. I don't know. If you have almost 30,000 Rand to spend on it, I would say probably get it. With Samsung, you always do get quality and you do get a phone that will last you a long time. So if you have that sort of money and you are looking to invest in a really good work smartphone, then I would recommend the Z Fold 5. I'm happy with that and I hope you guys are too. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Please do share our videos and we will see you next time.